Yo, what is up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing some Beast Room on Roblox. So yeah, let's get into the video, but before I do this, I'm going to say subscribe to the notification bell so you never miss a video, and like the video. So, just show some support. Okay guys, get screenshot. Guys, we're here with Boy Gamer. I'm about to go get some bees. So yeah guys, keep on looking at my go and get some more bees. I'm about to finish this quest real quick. So yeah. Yeah, I'm getting a silver egg panda up there. Yeah guys. I already defeated the rhino beetle half the time in the point of the quest, so I just need to get the spider. You can see I've only got 401 battle points pressing. I'm about to go, guys. I need you to tell me where do you how do you get sold? I don't even know, guys. Well, just I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh guys, if you did not know, there is a king beetle over at the whatever this field is right here. I forgot what it was. I don't know. I'm about to show you the king beetle. I think that was silver ones to do this. I'm not sure. See guys, the king beetle is right there. I don't think I can beat him just yet. It's so freaking hard, guys. Just like so impossible. It's misses, miss, and miss. Guys, you need like a high level bee. High level bee. It's about like something like 10. I think you'll be good to defeat. To escape is like right here. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Yeah, but there's the where you get fight the king beetle at. And yeah, go subscribe to Shadow Network. Yeah, subscribe to him and me. So if you never miss a video on his channel, it's a good channel. He does mining simulator videos and giveaways. So go check out his channel and subscribe to him. 10 days later, trying to mine. No, not about freaking saying mine all the time because I play mining simulator so much. 10 days later, tried to get honey. Sorry, this video is so boring, but so I'm sorry. I hope you're kind of enjoying. Just leave a like and subscribe. Like I said in the beginning of the video. I'm usually used to coming over here to get all of grasshoppers and stuff. It's like a grass. Alright, I'm gonna go fight the spider now. If I get this spider, I need like 3 more spiders and I'll be done with this quest to get the silver egg. Yo, lo tengo. Yep, gotta fight the spider. How many bees? Kill that spider. And I have 7, I'm pretty sure. before I die. Please, please, please. Yeah. That might be level up too at the same time. I'm gonna grab a strawberry real quick. Okay, we can put I'm trying to find one here. Hold on, there's a strawberry in there. Check. Nice. Has some treats. A blueberry, that's good at least. Still have 4 tickets. Still can't go up. I can go up there in one more bee. I saw my video, my voice sounds so weird in these videos. It's not my real voice, and I'm like, this is kind of a voice changer, so the voice changer, guys. Sorry, what is a voice changer? Sorry, just spoiled it. Yeah, it's not on 20. So it's a voice changer. Your energy's unlimited. Everything's unlimited. Maybe it's like unlimited. If we start to get the rest, it'll be all go out. It'll be unlimited. I'm just gonna wait for these. What was that? I was gonna scream his heart out. You did not know. I'm gonna scream his heart out. I'm gonna get my. Okay, guys, I'm at 5,000 haste. Got some haste too. Set all up here to get my reward. Gotta go fast. Oh, honey, gotta go fast. I got the door opening. So, guys, I'm still trying to get up to the silver egg to go over to the next place here, all the way on the other side. I only have 14, as I said earlier. I'm gonna get this so we can get some treats. Get 10 treats and a pineapple, and 2,600. Have some haste. I just need one more. See, I still don't have those. I don't know how to get this. Still gotta undo this. Don't even read it, guys. It's so funny. It's not that funny. Collect 25,000 pollen from dandelion field. I'm gonna do that right now. Sunflower, blue flower. Defeat 2 spiders. That's simple. Actually, we'll do the blue flower field first. Yeah. I'm going this way so I don't get more honey. Like we were near the place, but I will have enough to get enough from the boot house. So, and then I go sell this. And then I go to the dandelion. 12 days later, trying to get 25,000. I'm still sad. I still can't go in there. What do they mean by? I don't know what they mean by blue. I'm still confused by what they mean. Days later, trying to get. Still have all these. I'm 11 treats. That's good. Sorry, I need so much, guys. So sorry. Down in the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go check if the spider can spawn now, cause I still don't know. Spawn it. Open the volume, guys. sorry guys, my content's so trashy. It's that, guys, and I forgot to tell you, I am doing a giveaway on my channel. It's on my mining simulator. If you're interested in getting a Tix Dominus and 10, nah, I messed it up, 100 Omega hat crates. Say you subscribe down in the comments down below, and the first two that say will get 100 Omega hat crates and a Tix Dominus. So now tell me why not. No, not both of them get the Tix Dominus. One of them gets a mythical. So there's only 2 winners that can win this. So. I might change my channel name to something else in the future. It might be gaming. With them, it's probably that. Yeah, probably that. I'm gonna do more gaming vlogs now. So guys, for like vlogs, I'm either gonna do this. I'm gonna create if you want vlogs, create a new channel, and I will still have gaming and vlogs. But if you don't really want vlogs, we'll just do gaming and we won't create vlog channels. So we're gonna just I'll yeah, I don't know. I'll leave in the comments down below which will be still ain't answering me, that gosh. Still need like 20 something like 19,000 more to get on this fuel finish. They're trying to get stupid. I just give them a lot of guys, I'm back. I forgot. From the giveaway, I'm going to link me your username, and I will send you a friend request. You can join my server. Mine is I do not have a VIP server, so I guess how much you but in the future, I will do a bigger giveaway. I will do 1,000 Omega packs. And there was only one winner. I can't get like 2,000. 3,000 so much. That'd be like 5 billion. Maybe even 5. So my guess that would worth like 20 times, something like that. That's so expensive. God, don't kill me, please don't. I don't want to die today. God no, God no. Come on. I cannot die today. At least I can trying to get a blueberry. Okay, I already have 11 things done so far. How long is this video so far? 14 minutes. Got it in the video. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and bye.